tonight. It's her birthday celebration. Okay, with her, she will be with Erica and husband Joe, Bea and John Lloyd, her daughter Cleo and Martin. So now let's welcome now here coming in front of us, the birthday celebrant and her husband, Bernadette and Jesse.
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I've loved again, after a long, long while, I've loved again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Beautiful girl, I'll search on for you till all of your loveliness in my arms come true. You've made me love
Thank you
again
everybody for coming. You make me
after
feel
a long,
important tonight.
long while.
Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much,
And I'm
people.
glad that
It's birthday celebrant. Allison.
Happy birthday.
Special one for Jason Watson here. Okay. Everybody's so excited. It's your birthday celebrant, right? Isn't she beautiful? Very beautiful. Okay.
Can we request everyone to rise, please? Father in heaven, we praise and thank you for gathering us tonight for Bernadette's special 50th birthday. We ask you to bless her we ask you to bless Bernadette and her family and bless everybody here tonight celebrating again the special day of Bernadette. Give us wisdom and understanding and guide us through as we go to our everyday life. And we ask for your guidance for the rest of the year, and we look forward to a prosperous year again, especially with Bernadette. And we ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen.
All right, thank you so much, Peter. Of course, bossing in Bakerfield. This is a way much better microphone, by the way. Okay, now we're gonna call. Is Marife Roman or Tita Ping? Is she here somewhere? Yes, there you go. Okay, I would like to welcome Maria Roman, Tita Ping to come up here in the front to give a special message or an opening message to everyone. A round of applause for Marife Roman, Tita Ping. Very beautiful, yes.
Thank you, you too. This is a surprise. Okay, I'm supposed to open? But first of all, happy birthday, Labi. We call her Labi because Bernadette and Nono and my nephew, they call each other Labi. So kami din nakikilabi. Happy birthday, Labi. May you have many more birthdays to come. And kasi gutom na tayo, so I'm opening the party.
Okay, since Mark and Marvin, they're not here yet, we would like to call Cleo Colette Tabura. Cleo Colette Tabura. A special dance number, is that right? Okay. A round of applause. Before you perform, do you have any special message? Would you like to say a special message? Say something. Yes, here.
Happy birthday, Mommy, Dad.
Sing and dance. Over there, you sing and dance. In the center lang. In the center.
Something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, tonight, go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
It's whatever you like. Turn this appetite to a club. I'm talking drink and smoke free, party all night. Come back, go, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
you gonna sing later too? Or you wanna sing now? You wanna sing later? Okay, she has her second set later, okay? Alright. Thank you so much, baby Colette. Beautiful performance, wow. Mana, Bernadette, diba? Alright, your talent passed along all the way to your granddaughter. Okay, now I would like to call Jenny from San Diego. Where's Jenny from San Diego? She's about to render us a special song to serenade our birthday, our beautiful birthday celebrant Bernadette. Yes. Hello. Do you have any special wish for our birthday celebrant or anything else?
Well, hello everyone. Bernadette, happy birthday. I thought that I am older than... No, I thought you are older than me. Now you can call me Ate. Well, thank you for the invitation, along with Miss Jackie, and welcome everyone. Well, here's a beautiful song, and if your husband could please stay in love. In the whispers in the morning, rolling my life underground, as I look in your eyes.
Did you drive all the way to San Diego to be here for Bernadette's birthday? Wow. That's a long drive. Thank you for being here, okay? Now, it's the right timing, perfect timing, because we do have our special guest, which came from the famous movie, like the billion dollar movie na ba to? Billion blockbuster movie from the movie Hello Again. Basta, ito lang. So, alam, nagkanarin niya ako. Chine-check ko lang kung gising kayo. Di ba? From the movie To Love Again, is that right? Hello, Love Again. There you go. The blockbuster movie. Okay? So let's give a welcome give them a warm welcome of applause, Mr. Mark Labella and Marvin Arit Ramco. Let's give a round of applause. Guys, it should be louder than that, guys!
Good evening po. Happy birthday to the most wonderful, beautiful human being we know. Thank you. Happy birthday, Bernadette, for having us. Thank you. Saya na lang. So this song we're gonna sing, we actually sang this sa Pilipinas in the mall tour for Hello Love Again. So let's see if I remember it. Kasi Tagalog eh, mahirap. Malungtod ng Tagalog.
Of course.
Alis na po siya. And also, we would like to invite everyone to MIFF.
Yes, we're gonna be there with Kevin Kreider from Bling Empire, Tika Ruby. And so it's gonna be a lot of fun at MIFF this year. So we'll see you
Happy
there.
birthday, Artie!
Happy birthday! We love you!
We love you so much.
Did you know that the first movie ever produced with Coco and Jody, Love You With an
Love You With an
Accent,
Accent.
it was because of Bernadette that we got so many people there. So shout out
Yeah.
to Bernadette. So we owe her so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Yeah.
Okay, I think because it's her 50th birthday, she also have kind of like a party that makes it like an 18th birthday too, right? Parang ganun, parang 18th birthday style. So she's gonna have 18 roses who's gonna be giving her each rose. And I do have the list of the people who will be coming up here to the front. So if I call your name, guys, can you please stand here on the side, okay? First, let's call Don Don Daman Daman. Don Don Daman Daman. We need your attention because Jessie's about to sing When I Met You to her beautiful wife.
My own world without you know what life grows. How can we not be out of this world? You gave the world to me, and before I knew, I was so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, as I'm gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. Now the touch of your hair, when I look in your eyes, I just know, I want the something new, and I'm sure our love for you will do. Your love will light up my world and take all my dreams away. They every part of me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. You taught me how to love. You showed me how to know. And today my love is different from yesterday. And you taught me how to love, darling. I'll always cherish you today, tomorrow, and forever. Yeah, I'm sure when evening comes around, I know we'll be making love like never before. My love, who could ask for more? You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existence. And it all began when I met you. And I met you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. I met you. Happy birthday, lovey.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Kasal ba to? Ay, kala ko kasal, sorry. Happy birthday. Kiss now, kiss, kiss. Yes, that's their theme song, When I Met You. Talaga naman. May forever. Alright. I know everybody's eating right now, everybody's hungry. But let's sing happy birthday, and we're gonna sing another happy birthday later on tonight. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All right, come on, put your hands together. face with a cake. Okay? Practice lang yun kaya mamaya maganda energetic ka agad mamaya. Ha? Okay, Bernadette, would you like to say something now to your friends who are here?
First, I'm so grateful that you're here. Pwede mag-Bisaya? Ay, hindi pala may Tagalog. Bisaya, sige. English, okay. I-mix na to kay maglisod ba ako anak kay Bisaya ba kay ko. But anyway, I don't want Tita Celia will get mad at me if I talk Bisaya. She cannot understand. So, to be fair, Bisaya, Tagalog, English. But anyway, I'm so grateful. I didn't expect this this kind of birthday. Kasi I'm not used to have like this kind of birthday. I'm not celebrating birthday because, you know, I was born in a farm, so there's no birthday like this. So, but anyway, since I have my precious girls, my loving lovey. Oh my God, you know, if we're talking about family, I cannot hold my tears. But anyway, I'm very lucky I have my children, their husband and their coming husband, Jay and JL. They're very supportive. And I love you guys. My daughter Erica and Bella and Cleo, thank you. Oh no, see? And most Mark, I didn't expect on Marvin that, you know, dear. Oh my God, thank you so much. Love you too. And of course, my BFF Jackie. And Bossing Rex. Tito, ay Kuya. Kuya Roy. Sorry ha, kasi black ang brain ko ngayon. Sa inyo lahat, sa kayaan, kay Gloria, Tita Marta, Tita Ping, Tito Roman, sa lahat-lahat na taga Marvel Cotabato, all my best friend, Tita Celia, and of course, my best friend. My very, like, you guys are all my very, but, you know, like, I love you, Sister Mercy from Bakersfield and Bossy. You make me cry. Oh my God. Sister, I don't want to cry. I love you. Like a sister, I love you. My sister, Nilaw family. I love you guys. Pido and the Pacman team. I see her. So, Pacquiao team is her. And father and mother of Giorgio over there. And my friend Joy and Marcy and our friends also. Thank you for coming. Who else that I didn't mention? Everybody, I'm our sister Lisa and my sister. I'm sorry guys, I'm very no the Marjorie. Please say your name because I'm very black out today. You know, everybody, you guys. Oh my God, no, my business partner, Keith. Thank you for coming. And Roldan from Philippines. We hired her. He's an engineer from Dubai, and we hired him to come here to work here in America. I'm so proud of you. You know, thank you for coming to be with us in our, you know, American dream. I'm just kidding. No, yeah, but anyway. Gigi, thank you so much. Oh, Cedric. Oh, I love you guys. Joey. I love you, Joey. Sino pa ba hindi ko napag... May and Biner. Don and she, where are you? I love you. You know what? I am thinking that di na to matuloy because of, you know, may nangyari sa family namin, but I just pray to God, you know. And to Lavi, where's Lavi? Labi, I know you're hungry, but you know, sa mga wala ka ilan ni Labi, I need to make this English so that everybody understand. To all who didn't know who's Labi, I'm very proud and thankful and grateful to our Lord God that after all my journey of my life, nobody knows my life. Pangmalaala mo kaya. After all that, I didn't expect that I gonna marry again and again. God give me Labi to like when God knows our hearts that too much pain, God will bless you abundantly, and God give me Labi. And I'm so proud to all my friends that we've been together for almost 10 years, but we didn't fight with each other. Our secret of our being together for almost 10 years is like, if I am quiet, meaning I feel bad. So if after 30 minutes or 1 hour that I'm still quiet, just leave me alone. So what I did, this is my teaching to you guys, because there's no reason to fight, and after all you will get friend again. So what I did is I just go to the bathroom and pray and cry hard in front of God. And then after that, I gonna go out and I feel better, and we're okay. So there's no fight. So that's our secret. Love you, right? Yeah. So I'm so proud with him. I hope everybody's like we have peace always, so that we are always happy, and God will gonna give us graces also. I love you, Labi. Don't change the way you are. Till death do us part, promise, right? I love you, Labi. So what else I'm gonna say? I think I say thank you already, right? So thank you, Lord, for everything. Thank you for the good health. To everybody for all the blessings. I'm sorry I have a long because but I'm trying to make it shorter because Gigi is hungry now. Thank you, Jay. I love you, Jay.
All right, a round of applause for Bernadette. I know everybody's hungry right now because of the delicious food that is being served right now. Bernadette, you're not done talking yet because you're going to talk again later on tonight. At the very end of the program, of course. Just sit back, relax, and feel the moment. Look at everybody here. They're all here for your special day. Yes, it's your debut, 18th birthday. Okay? So we're going to have all your guests enjoy their dinner right now. Later on, we're gonna have some raffles. So we're gonna have some prizes to give away. And we're going to proceed our program with the female version naman. Mga magbibigay ng gifts sa'yo and well wishes. Okay? Alright, so for the meantime, just enjoy your dinner and we'll be back in the program after 10-15 minutes, okay?
my best to follow the star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right, without question of pause, to be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause. And I know if I only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will like be still and calm when I'm led to my rest. And the world will be better for this than one man scorned and covered with scars, still strong with his last ounce of courage to reach the unreachable star.
All right, thank you so much. Riggs, that's a very beautiful rendered off that song. What's that title? Impossible Dream. Thank you so much. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying your dinner. It's such a very sumptuous and delicious dinner, isn't it? Talagang sobrang everything. We have vegetables, fish, meat, noodles, talagang lahat na talaga. Chicken, right? And of course the rice. Don't forget the rice. Otherwise the Filipinos gonna get mad at you with no rice. Rice is life. Alright, where's our birthday celebrant? Miss Bernadette, where are you? The beautiful Bernadette calling. She's probably have a change of clothes right now, I think. Oh, she's there. Natapunan kasi ng mga guests eh. Na-overwhelmed. Have you eaten? Yes, you ate. Yeah, right now you probably don't have any appetite kasi you are so overwhelmed with love from your friends who came here tonight. I'm so glad you really go through and continued with your party. There's a lot of people that love you, who you invited for the last minute, and they are all here and they all showed up. They missed the first part of the program, so we're going to proceed with our second part of the program. But before anything else, Bernadette, would you like to welcome to those who just came in?
Oh, yeah. Sir Jeffrey Jimenez, thank you for coming. Tita Cora, yeah, and Tita Trini, and thank you for coming, and Edwin, and I forget, sorry, Daisy, sorry ha, blanco ako this, sorry. Bunny! Thank you for coming! Sister Rosa, Rosier, thank you! Who else? Sino pa ba? Jessica, the pretty girl, yeah, and her loving husband. Thank you. Sino pa ba ang nahuli? Sila lang, no? Thank you. You missed the, yung unang part, but the next, I make it sure you're part of it. Oh, diba? Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for coming.
Okay, now nabusog na tayo. Let's proceed with the second part of the program. Kanina tinawag natin ang mga boys, all the gentlemen. Now it's the ladies' part to come up here and give Bernadette a special wish for your birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate B! You're so beautiful! When you invited me nga, sabi ko, naku, masarap ang food dyan. Naku, may pabongga. I love your dress. When I met you, I always naman tell you, you're Ate Ganda to me. I always say, oh, Ate Ganda. Brenda. Nice to see you. And we always get along kasi mahilig ako sa shows, tapos shows ka din, and you always appreciate me. Happy birthday, ate. Stay beautiful. Ikaw ang aking idol sa pagka-looking young and looking like a princess. Okay? We love you, ate. Ate ganda. Ayan, hindi kayo maubusan ng wish.
Yeah, I gave you my gift. She gave you one. Yeah, I wish. Labby. It's you're 50 years old, but you don't look 50. This is a milestone for you. So the next half of the century, I wish you good health and good luck in your business. Whatever you do, I hope everything turns into gold because you are now a golden girl. I love you. To the moon and back. Next.
Hi, Ate. I got this beautiful orchids because you are beautiful like an orchid. Inside and out. Good health. Thank you. And more birthday. Stay happy. Hello, Bernadette. Happy birthday. Okay, I'm so glad to be here. Thank you for inviting me, and also happy birthday. I wish you all the best, and I wish all your dreams and wishes come true. All right.
Hello everyone! Wala akong hold up ito, sister. Pero ito na lang, maglasing ka na lang tayo, sis. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sis. More. Sa hirap sa ganawa kami kasi nito eh. Nandun kami sa ba yun? Sa anywhere. Na-producing kami. Wala na kami mga pera, na-bankrupt kami noon. Oo! Iyakan kami, nagsakla na kami ng mga alas para matulong na. Nakakaiyak! Oo, sa Marvel. Sis, huwag kang magalala. Mayroon tayong malaking budget. Nabalik na ba? Ang lugi na balik na, more than. Oo, I love you, sis. You know that how much I love you. God help lang ang ano ko sa'yo, ha? Pero maglasingan na lang tayo. Muna.
Happy birthday, Bernadette. Thank you for inviting me. Wishing you all the best, more luck, more happiness, good health, and more wealth. I'll cherish your friendship and I love you. Thank you. Happy Bernadette, happy birthday. I know, it's been like, what, 50 years and you are being blessed. And Kuya Nonoy is more blessed to have you in his life. And of course, nadamay din kami. Thank you for coming in our life. You give so much life. You know, I will say something. When she is sending a message for me this morning, I cannot stop my tears but keep crying and crying. Like, oh my God, she makes me cry early in the morning. I love you all more than you ever know.
Sasabihin nyo? Okay, ako muna. Dahil sister-in-law kanina, sister-in-law naman yan. To my Ate Bernadette, may kachismisan, may kamaritesan and all. I so love you very much. Thank you for always being there for me and for my family.
much. We love you. Hala, nag-English ko, nahurot na. Ha? I love you so much. And more birthdays to come. Marami pang happy birthday to you because we love you so, so much. Love you. Antayin na natin sa 7. Thank you, Dad. Tapos na yung message ko. Huwag ka na mag-video.
Hello. I love you more. I wish I may, I wish I might have all your wishes and all your wishes come true every day. Alam ko, daghang pa ang mga andito sa loob mo. But don't worry, we are always here for you. We love you and you know that. Kahit ano, basta dito kami for you. Don't worry. God bless you more.
Sorry na, pag magsalita na yung mga tita ko, mga in-laws ko, maiyak talaga ako. Thank you for coming. Sa hindi nyo alam, sila yung coach ni Manny Pacquiao. So hindi na sila umuwi, nagtrabaho dito. They're very lucky. They got their great card through my friends who own the facility. That's why they love me so much. Thank you, Papito. Thank you for coming. I love you guys. I gave them happy birthday. I am really very grateful to this lady. So thankful. Happy birthday. Thanks for everything. Sa hindi nyo alam, binigay ng bagoong. Siya yung one of the owner of Kamayan. She has a very yummy bagoong nakalagay sa Island Pacific. So yung Island Pacific bagoong, siya ang gumagawa. Kaya bili kayo, ha? Ninyo, na ano ko na yung produkto natin.
Happy New Year, and be filled with lots of love, happiness, and good vibes. Really happy return home. Thank you so much, I love. Thank you very much. You're making a very good friend.
Hi everyone, hi Mom. For everyone who doesn't know me, I'm Bernadette's second child, eldest daughter, Erica. Happy birthday to the most amazing woman in my life. Mom, I need to read this because my mind is blank right now. You have been a constant source of love, strength, and inspiration. Your unwavering support, kindness, and endless sacrifices have shaped me into who I am today. Ay, naku! On your special day, I just want to thank you for all the love and care you've given me throughout the years. You deserve nothing less than a day filled with happiness, laughter, and all the joy in the world. I am truly blessed to call you Mom, and have this year brings you all the beautiful moments you deserve. I love you endlessly, and thank you for all the patience you've given me. Thank you for loving my child. Thank you for loving Cleo, my husband. You want to say something? I love you. We're here for you, even though, yeah. Thank you, Mom.
I love you, anak. I'm so lucky and blessed. I have my daughter, Erica.
Okay, Bernadette.
Bea. I'm the youngest daughter of Bernadette. So, happy birthday, Ma. I know life has been so hard, but today is all about celebrating you, your kindness, your strength, and the love you effortlessly give to everyone around you. You're the heart and soul of our family, and we are beyond grateful for everything you do. I wish you to live long, be free of stress, and be healthy. I hope this year brings you so much joy, laughter, and love as you have given to all of us. I love you, Mom.
Well, Bea, I'm so proud to say, yung nandito na ako sa America, like there's nobody who take good care of our staff in Philippines since Erica is coming here already. So like she is the second mom there for how many years. And I'm so proud of her to siya yung naging mommy doon instead ako. So I'm so grateful and I love you, Bea, you know that. I'm so lucky I have you, Erica, and you continue being a good girl and be patient and be a good woman and be a good wife soon too. Love you.
A round of applause for Bernadette. Yes. You're so loved by all your friends who came here tonight and of course your family. And hindi pa tapos, syempre we would like to call the friends of Press Club and Filipino-American Press Club of California, led by Lisa Pacheco Chow, Jackie De Hoya, Joey Humol, Cedric Panganiban, and Roar Barnes. I would like to call the Press Club of California, and they're about to give you more flowers.
Thank you. I was in, but soon I will be back.
Picture.
Cedric, you have to join the Press Club. Okay, so padami ang bulaklak. You are so loved. Your 50th birthday is amazing with all your beautiful friends that love you truly, and of course, on a Saturday night they have other plans, but they all decided to be here for your golden year. Okay, dahil si Bernadette is very generous, she's about to give, kita mo naman, birthday niya and siya pa magbibigay, di ba? That's how giving she is. Wala pa tayong mga raffle song, Cedric? Okay, now, so make sure that if your name is called, you get to win some prizes. Huwag ka titingin, ayan. Bunot, raffle.
Ano yan siya?
So you get to win a salt and pepper. Ayan. The name is?
Clifford!
Okay, congratulations! Clifford, okay. Panalo ka ng paminta at asin.
This is a very lucky because
Lucky is very lucky because salt is lucky and pepper and they Jewish.
Yeah, pag lilipat ka ng bahay mo, yan ang una mong dalhin, isama mo na ang bigas. Okay? Pampaswerte yan. Okay, so there's another prize for our next winner. So Bernadette, pick another one. Ano to? Lalagyan ng bagoong, ng suka, ng patis.
Tama to. Sa asawa mo. Yan na yung pang-breakfast mo. Dahil.
Perfect! So we do have more raffle prizes later on tonight. And then after we do have a special guest again.
She will still torment me, call me, hurt me, move me, come what may. Wasting in my lonely tower, wasting by an open door. I'll fool myself, she'll walk right in and be with me forevermore. I raged against the trials of love. I cursed the fading of the light. Though she's already flown so far beyond my reach, she's never out of sight. Now I know she'll never leave me, even as she fades from view. She will still inspire me, be a part of everything I do. Wasting in my lonely tower, waiting by an open door. I'll fool myself, she'll walk right in, and as the long, long nights begin, I'll think of all that might have been, waiting here forevermore.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
That's my gift for you. Ha? Yeah, kasi alam ko pagod ka sa work. So, upo ka lang.
Happy birthday, Bernadette.
For coming. Massage mo. Another one? What is that? Wow, thank you, Dawn! Dawn is giving an air fryer. Alam ko may mga air fryer na kayo sa bahay niyo, right? At least may extra kayo. Uy, labi yung microwave, hindi mo nadala. I have microwave also and we forgot to bring. Hindi, mayroon lahat yata. Sinulat. Sino nagsulat dito? Sigurado lang dito si Sister Jackie?
Wala ako. Kasi nakita na pa sa Ay, wala.
Okay, hold on. Ilagay ang pangalan ni Jackie at saka si Mylene. Kasi pag masira ang air fryer nila, may extra. Ay, maganda yung isa. Yung pang ano, yung maganda yun din. By the way, thank you guys for coming. I'm so grateful and honored that you come here and celebrate my my 18 years old birthday. My golden birthday. Thank you for coming. Okay? Bunny! May pangalan na si Bunny dyan? Okay. Sino yung late dumating? Nandyan na lahat? Okay. Ay, sinulat na daw sa kanya, no? Sa kanya? Mayroon na? Okay. Hindi ko titingnan na. Hindi ko titingnan. Para walang daya. Pero gusto ko ibigay to kay JJ. Ah. Sino si Pingo? Pingo? May Pingo ba tayo? Ako. Ha?
Tita Ping!
Ay! Tita Ping! Pabor! Wait. Air fryer, you want? Wait. Oh, wait. Thank you, Tita Ping. Iba talaga pag mayaman ba? I know. Pangalan mo hindi ah. Sige. Oh, Bunny! Kailangan to kasi bakit? Ang mga bata niya, isa dapat isa-isa, nagmamadali, maliit na sa school. Thank you, Bunny.
healthy. Thank you for the invite.
I wish you peace, happiness, good health, and it's your golden years. So stay golden, stay fabulous, and you have one life. So live it well.
Thank you so
Happy birthday.
Bernadette, wishing you a happy birthday and good health.
Happy birthday. I love you. And may this candle bring you lots of joy, healing, worry-free life and stress-free life, and always beauty, yes, and more success. Thank you. Happy birthday, sister.
Happy birthday, sis. It's like sense your life. May mukhang padayon ka, may makahayag sa imo ang mga loved ones, sa mga tao na nagmahal sa imo. At kita nila imuhan life. Hatag inspirasyon sa matagasan. O ang mga ugma mag-overflowing na ang sa imo. We love you, sis, and we're so grateful to God for having you. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Picture. Okay, picture mo na. Grab na din.
Happy birthday!
Ay, Bisaya!
Kabalo!
Kabalo! Bisaya! Sa Bisaya sa birthday?
Ang maligat ko! Tagalog man yan.
Hindi mo alam. Birthday! Bisaya! Birthday! Maayong adlaw na natauhan. Sorry, I don't know how to speak Bisaya. I'm just kidding. I wish you all the best in life, good health, and happiness. Love you.
Okay, picture. Okay, here.
Happy birthday, sis. Always siya yung mga good health and more birthdays. Mas higit ka per because so yan. Nakasama ko rin mga.
Ulit, di ko narinig. Mahina yung boses mo.
Okay, picture here. Katas yan. Okay, here.
Bumul ka!
Sama sa imong kagwapa, parehanin candle na nag-glow yun. Stay beautiful inside out, kaya ang glory ni Lord nakitaan yun sa imo, nag-shine. So, ako alam mo, verse na mahatag sa imo, let your light so shine before man that you, say, glory, let your light so shine before man that your Father will glorify. And still, and 3 John 1-2, verses 1-2, I pray that you may enjoy good health and that all may go well with you even when the soul is getting in. I love you, sister.
Okay, picture. Okay, one more.
Alright, so last but not the least, I would like to call to come up here on stage, Don Daman Daman. Where are you, Don Daman Daman?
message ko para kay Ate Bird. Wag na iyakan. Dapat naman sayawan tsaka kasiyahan. You know, Kinoy, come here. Kinoy. Hey, makinig yun lahat.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Surprise na!
Hindi naman. Actually, itong dalawa, talagang pinagtagpo at tinadhana. Ano? Kasi sa love story nitong dalawa, pareho sila. No? Pareho sila ng storya ng buhay. May tinadhana, kinasal, nagkaroon ng anak, pinaghiwalay. pero tinagpo rin sila. No? Tinagpo sila sa tamang panahon, tamang pagkakataon, at tamang buhay nila ngayon. Yeah. Ilang taon na kayo ate? 10 years. Yeah. So minsan kasi nagtitipon-tipon kami magkakapatid, especially may tawag ito kapag birthday, minsan Christmas. So kami magkakapatid nag-gather, minsan sa table, minsan nag-uusap. Oh, paano ba kayo nagkakilala? Kami, diba? So minsan sila ang naging hot seat. No? Sila ang naging hot seat. Alam niyo ba kung paano sila nagsimula? Paano sila nagkakilala? Alam niyo ba ang storya? Hindi? December 25 daw yun eh. Pero wag na natin ubusin yung storya, baka mabisto. Mahaba pa ang storya. Okay. So sila, ang ganda ng storya nila. Parang telenovela, sabi naman ni Ate Bird. Minsan, shortcut ko na lang, minsan nagtipon-tipon kami sa condominium ni Tita Bird. Tapos, mahilig sila kumanta eh. Si Kenoy, ang paborito nito, manok na pula. Hindi. Paborito mo kaya Kenoy? Close to your eye. Si Ate Bird, mahilig dito kumanta. Minsan, sabi ko, kantahin niyo yung mga team song niyo. E di nag-present si Ate Bird. After ni Kuya Noy, ako. Meron akong kanta para kay Kuya Noy nyo. Ito talaga para sa kanya to. Sabi, sige, parang okay yun ah. Hindi ko alam yung title, pero alam ko yung kanta. Kami lahat. Tapos nilagay, iisa pa lamang. Parang okay yun ah. Masimula, sa dinami-dami na aking minahal. Tawa na kami na. Sabi na, grabe. Yeah, sabagay, sa mga experiences nila, naging parte yun sa buhay nila. Sa 50th birthday ni Ate Bird, naging meaningful yung life niya with, sabi niya nga, with Kuya Noy. Kuya Noy is my brother. Yeah, siya ang mas matanda ako sa kanya. Yeah. Kaya sabi ko nga kay Sheng, sabi ko dapat kantahan ko si Ate Bird tsaka si Kuya Noy na isang magandang tapos dapat sila sumayaw din, di ba? Kasi paborito namin ni Kuya Noy kantahin dati. Hindi lang natuloy eh. Nung nandito si Diego, alam mo yun yung na-turn off yung computer. So, dapat kantahan natin. Pero gusto ko sana lahat sumayaw din. Find your partner. Ano kantahin ko? Kakantahin ko na. Bahala na. May call pa ba? May monitor? Wala na?
Power of Google.
Wala na? Oh, sige. Mamaya na lang. So, Ate Bird, mamaya na lang daw. Everybody stand up. So, thank you, Ate Bird. You know, Ate Bird is a very kind person. Alam niyo yan lahat. Especially sa family namin. Thank you, Ate Bird. Cora? Tama ba? Ayun! Wow! Ayos. Wow! Congratulations! Kaya pa ba? Kaya?
Picture muna.
Congratulations, Tita Cora! Wow! Ang sunod din naman, meron ka ng slow cooker and buffet server. Pwede na. Oh, next! Last na to, last? Oh, meron, last. Meron pa, after nito, baka may surprise gift. Okay, sino kaya ang maswerte?
Mananalo ng manok.
Hindi. Manok! Ano pa? Ano naman ito? Manok! Undox. Alright! Roaster oven. And the winner is...
Sino kaya ang pinakaswerteng mananalo ng lechon? Manok na lechon.
Maswerte ang may number 3, 2, number 32. The name starts with letter R. Sino ba may R na pangalan? Number 32, R. Roldan. Is he here? Pag wala.
Umuwi na.
In 10, 9, 8. Okay, wala. Ate, buti.
Roldan! Wala! Roldan!
Yung nandito lang po. Sorry.
Oo nga eh.
Kala ka boy na eh!
Okay, next. Number 52. Name starts with letter C. Charot. Sinat. Number 52 starts with letter C. A.
ka sa itak ng palo, makisama, mag-enjoy ka. Once again, happy birthday, Bernadette! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Yeah. Last dance. It's not the last dancing. Let's dance for love. Yes, it's my last chance for romance tonight. Oh, I need you. I need beside me to guide me, to hold me. Let's go, 'cause when I'm back, I'm so sorry. So let's dance, the last 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 dance tonight. One more time. Let's dance for love. Yes, it's my last chance for romance tonight. Oh, I need you. I need beside me to guide me, to hold me and hold me. 'Cause when I'm back, I'm so bad. So let's dance, the last 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 dance tonight. Yeah. Do the hustle. How do you do the hustle? Paano ba yan? Ano ba yan, Jessica? Paano ba yan?